Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today, that is August 22, 2022, uh, we have taken two trades in two different sectors. One is from banking sector and second is from IT sector. So the first trade I have taken in WIPRO. So I have taken a long position in WIPRO. So the reason for taking long position is that so if you observe in 1 hour candle, so it made a bullish momentum. So because of which I went on to the long position. So my entry price was at 4 to 5.50. So it got executed in this candle. I have placed my stop loss as 424. So it need to be at 4 to 4.30 according to the pattern. So but as a buffer I have placed at 4 to 4. Yeah, and it went down sideways. I exited in between. It did not hit my stop loss. I exited in between. So my exit point was at uh, 4 to 4.80. It got executed uh, at 1247. 1247. So in this candle, I have exited my position. So that is at 4 to 4.80. And the second stock is State Bank. Yeah. So as the market was going down, so I took a trade along with the trend. So my entry price was at 515. I took a short position. So entry price was at 515 and it got executed around 1129. So in this candle, trade got executed and I have placed a stop loss uh, at 516.50. So it need to be at 516. So but as a buffer, I took point. I have placed it 516.50. So it came down according to our trend. So I have exited at 511.50 in this candle. So that is at 2:56 p.m. So I have exited my position. So yeah, and so the reason for taking this State Bank is that because of this formation of bearish candle, so I went on to the short side, and particularly for choosing this stock, the reason is this bearish candle. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.